Okay, now let's get inside po ng Forest Lodge here in Camp John Hay in Baguio. Hello! Good afternoon! Okay. Mag-check in kami today. Last time, naglakad lang ako dito eh. Oo, nagandahan ako sa mga ano rito, sa mga receptionist. Okay, and we're back. Last week lang, dito kami. Okay, let's check. Ang ganda ho rito. Okay, this is newly renovated, no? Newly painted, newly varnished. Okay. So this, for me, the best hotel here in Camp John Hay or maybe here in Baguio. Yes. Okay. Hi, Bea. Okay, we're going to stay in the best hotel here now in Baguio. Yes. Let's check the receptionists. They're all beautiful here. All gorgeous. Okay. Discount senior? No senior discount? Walang senior discount? Okay, good. That's good. Okay, later on we'll go to Louis Vuitton. Okay? Enjoy natin yung Louis Vuitton and they have nice restaurants here. Okay. So, enjoy lang natin stay dito today and dance. Okay, that's my lovely daughter, Bea. There's Bernice. Okay, hi Bernice. Okay, enjoy naman dalawa dyan, ha? Okay. And there's my wife now. Okay. Ayos po yung ating booking. There's Janice and Brad. Okay. Hi.
Hello.
We have a nice weather here. Here in Baguio, there's no air conditioner.
You don't need it.
Yeah, it's always cold, even in summer.
It's clean.
Yeah,
It
good.
smells like pine trees.
Really? I hope you enjoy your stay here. Okay?
Yes, I will. Thank you very much.
Later on, we'll drink plenty of beer here. Newly opened bar here, huh? Check it out. Okay. Open na ba? Open na? Okay. Meron ba ito happy hour?
Yes po, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m.
5 to 7? Buy one, take one?
Yes.
Okay, good. Magkano yung beer dito pag ano?
For the beer sir, 120 yung pale pilsen. Yung mga local beer sir, mga 100 plus lang po.
Okay, good. 120, buy one, take one. Okay, that's a good deal na. Ha? Bago lang ba ito? Bago lang?
Yes po, November 25 po siya lang.
Wow, bagong-bago. Okay. Pwede ba sumayaw dyan? Meron bang dancing dito?
Pwede naman po sir.
Wala?
Kung walang hiya yung mag...
Walang ano?
Kung walang may hiya.
Wala. Pwede naman.
Pwede naman po sir. Kasi
Okay.
mga music din naman namin disco.
Pandisco? Okay, good. Meron din speed?
Meron din po.
Good.
Every morning, ganun po, pang slow lang.
Very good. Papasok ako ha. Ganda. Ganda yung mga ano ha. Silya, maganda interior ha. Okay, they got a very nice bar here. That's Louis Vuitton. Okay, before meron Louis Vuitton pa sa ano, sa Manila. Sa hotel po yun, no? I can't remember the hotel. But that's a very popular disco in Manila, no? Louis Vuitton. Okay, they got a very comfortable, nice chairs here. All right. Happy hour. Pwede bang advance yung happy hour? Ha? Happy hour, 5 p.m. pa? Hindi pwede ngayon ha? Okay, good. Sige. Okay, check ko lang yun na rito ha. Ano ba ito? May private room dito? VIP room. So, meron minimum dito? Ha? May minimum?
Sir, bali meron pwede po nating i-rental kasi pwede rin po natin yung consumable, sir.
Consumable. How much consumable dito?
Bali
20,000. Okay, good. Sige, check ko lang ha. Okay, good. Very cool naman dito. Very nice, ha? Louis Vuitton, no? Ba, marami nitong ano, Vinyl, ano ba to? Vinyl? Alright. They have good music here, ha? Yeah. Dami nilang LPs or vinyls, no? May speaker ba yan? Aba naman, speakers pala yan. Alright, they got nice interiors here. For 20,000 pesos, no? You can use this room, private room, no? Let's check na yung mga binilis dito. Oh, yeah. Okay, what's this? Yeah. Blakey. That's Blakey. Okay. That's it. Okay. Okay. Up to, ano na. Pumasok na tayo sa ating rooms. Wife's calling na po. Let's go. Okay, welcome to Louis Wise. Here in Forest Lodge Hotel. Hello! Hala! Nagsobra na kayo nag-enjoy dito ah. Ha? Kayla, sobra ka nang-enjoy ha? Oh, wala si Kayla. Oh, enjoy na enjoy. Oh, ano mga drinks nyo Kyle? What's that? Ha? Grabe, grabe. Nag-enjoy na kayo sobra pala dito ha?
May food doon. Nga lang mga street food.
Can we go tomorrow?
Okay, good. Hindi ko ba nalasing?
Okay lang daw.
Ha?
Okay lang.
Pulang-pula ka na eh.
Okay lang.
Ha?
Hindi naman po.
Okay. Okay ka lang, okay ka lang. Ganda rin sa loob kayo, no? Ganda rito. Okay, they have a wonderful bar here. Bailey's. Wow. Welcome to Louis Y. Okay. Here in Forest Lodge in Camp John Hay. Okay, it's real. Ano ba ito? Oh, it's real. Tunay. Yes, real fire, huh? Okay. Wow, sarap naman dito. With real fire para Christmas. Yes. Ano kayo lahat dyan? Everybody. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, jump shot. Doon. Okay, good. That's it. Yeah, welcome back. Welcome back. Okay. Ito po tayo ngayon sa Louis Y here in Baguio. Let's go! Okay na, unti-unti na pong nilalagay ating kakainin ngayong gabi. Today is May 8th of 2024 and we are now here in Forest Lodge here in Baguio to enjoy the food and the weather and the pine trees. Halap, na-enjoy mo yung pine trees?
Yeah.
Pine trees.
Okay. Ha? Let's put the wife again. Big for today.
Big for today.
Yes. That's my fashionable wife. Kaya na, assignment? Reels? Okay, good. Okay. Saan pang kulang? Siguro, gutom na ako. Okay, gutom na po tayo. Bakit? Magka 9 o'clock na po. Kaya na po tayo habang wala pa yung iba pagkain. Let's spray na. Let's spray, Kyle. Let's spray. Spray.